This is a gift. This is a gift from up above, a gift from someplace, a Christmas miracle, call it what you will.
My children had this program and they managed to apply for it. And I'm so glad I'm here now.
Nice deep breath in and blow it out. Blow.
Operation Walk is an independent medical charitable organization that was founded in 2011, whose goal is to help uninsured patients who have severe hip or knee arthritis obtain hip or knee replacement surgery.
I'm still in disbelief. As I lay here, all hooked up, I'm still in disbelief that this is actually happening for me. All good things.
Gonna take great care of her.
At RWJBarnabas Health and Monmouth Medical Center, we are so honored to partner with Operation Walk to provide care to 2 patients who have been living with mobility issues and severe joint pain.
RWJBarnabas, Seaview Orthopaedics, and Zimmer Biomet have partnered together to help out patients in need that do not have insurance and help them get total hip and total knee replacements. Because this is such a great procedure for people that are in a lot of pain and can't walk, we're able to restore their function and let them lead normal daily lives.
We were searching any avenue possible, and we happened upon this Operation Walk USA program where they will offer free knee replacement or hip replacement surgeries to people who do not have insurance.
My mom being able to walk is going to change her life. It's going to give her freedom.
Today I'm so happy. I'm so
Miss Ganda is a 70-year-old woman who unfortunately has end-stage degenerative change of her left knee. She no longer has any cartilage in that joint. She's actually grinding bone on bone, and she's been having pain for quite some time. She's had no success with non-operative treatment options, which have included therapy, medications, certain types of injections, and we have gotten to the point where the only definitive treatment for her is total joint replacement.
Today we're taking care of Joanna. She has severe bilateral knee arthritis. She spends a lot of time on her feet and can barely walk more than 50 feet without significant pain. Today's plan is that we're going to do a double knee replacement. We're going to do both knees in one sitting, and hopefully within 2 or 3 months she'll be feeling much better again and walking without any pain.
Thank you doesn't even touch on it. I mean, they have no idea how this, to them, might seem like the smallest thing, but this is life-changing.
Thank you from me and my wife and my mom and all my siblings.
I can't thank the doctors and this program and everybody who has helped us. I can't thank you enough. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much.
I want to thank our partners at Jag Physical Therapy, Seaview Orthopaedics, and Zimmer Biomet. Thank you for giving the gift of health during this holiday season.